Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in to the presentation from Ilika Technologies. I'm delighted to introduce Denis Pasero. He is the product commercialization manager, and today he will tell us a little bit about the micro to giga scale, different materials, processes, and challenges. Denis, over to you.
Thank you very much, Christoph, and thank you for the introduction. I'm indeed a product manager at Ilika. I'm going to tell you about very small batteries and also larger, all solid state. So we are UK based. We're based in the south of the UK, in Southampton. And we really started working on solid state batteries in 2008, collaborating with Toyota on solid materials for solid state batteries. The collaboration ended. We created IP and new processes for ourselves and developed 2 lines of solid state batteries, which I'll mention today. Stereax, which is our miniature batteries for medtech and industrial IoT, which we're about to commercialize, and Goliath, a lower TRL program for solid state batteries for electric vehicles in particular. So starting with Stereax, the micro batteries, these are fully solid, no liquid. They are rechargeable lithium-ion batteries in terms of chemistry, but all materials are deposited as solid materials. We use a technology that is more common to the semiconductor and compound MEMS industry to deposit using evaporators and sputterers onto glass wafers. And you see one of my colleagues here holding a wafer with patterned little cells using photolithography and etching techniques. These cells are then the wafers are thinned, the cells are diced, and then we stack them on top of each other. Here you can see an example of a battery that has 6 cells stacked on top of each other. You can see the very small dimensions here. So they are connected in parallel electrically so that we can increase the energy per surface. So we are, as I mentioned shortly earlier, industrializing. We opened our first volume manufacturing plant near Southampton only at the end of last year. We still need a bit of time to commission all the equipment to get it factory ready. And at the same time, we are still finishing the product development. It's a facility with clean rooms and people suited up, as you can see here. So what are our key markets? Well, we are seeing a lot of pull from the implanted medtech industry, from disruptors who really want to create products that move away from the mostly pacemakers and neuromodulation of the size shown on the slide here. They are that size because the battery needs to be that size. If they could really have a smaller battery, then they would place implanted devices in more pockets in the body, nearer the organs that need to be treated. And so we see a lot of pull in creation of a smaller pacemaker, leadless pacemaker. These ones go directly in the heart. Neuromodulation, this whole a huge area of medicine that intends to help some conditions through treatments via electrical impulses. It could be in the nerve, next to the spinal cord, many areas. In smart orthopedics as well, wanting to put some smart electronics in hip or knee joints just to make sure the procedure has been successful. So, of course, also working with a lot of prospects in the area of smart contact lenses. Here, really only a small solid-state battery can and has the space to be put on this device. So this is our market.